Good morning everyone. My name is Srinivas Teja. I am studying sixth concept in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today I am saying seminar. Today my topic is how to change your way of thinking. Change your way of thinking means seeing in a better and more positive way. Sometimes we all face problems, but instead of thinking I can do it, we should try and my best. That first step to positive thinking. Don't focus on great and on problems. Think about solution. Grateful and always be truthful. Thank you.